We'll guide you through how to make phone call effect in Premiere Pro. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create realistic phone call audio effects for videos, films, or social media content. To begin this tutorial, open Adobe Premiere Pro on your computer. Click File on the top menu to access the available options. Then select Import from the menu to bring your audio into the project panel. Choose the audio file you want to use. Then click Open to import it into the project so it becomes available for editing. After that, drag the audio onto the timeline so you can start working with it directly. For example, trim or cut the audio first so you can compare the original sound with the phone call effect version more clearly during playback. Move the playhead according to your needs to find the exact position where you want to create a split in the audio. Then select the razor tool so you can cut the clip at a specific point. Cut the timeline at the playhead position to divide the audio into separate sections that can be edited independently. After making the cut, press V on the keyboard to switch back to the selection tool so you can continue editing normally. Next, select the second audio clip so you can apply the effect only to that part and keep the first section unchanged for comparison. Move the playhead to the beginning of the audio again so you can preview the result from the start later. Then go to Window on the top menu to access additional panels in Premiere Pro. From the drop-down menu, select Essential Sound to activate the Essential Sound panel so you can use built-in audio presets. After that, go to the Essential Sound panel where you can control and enhance your audio settings. In the Preset section, change it to From Telephone to apply a phone call effect to the selected audio clip. This preset modifies the audio frequencies to simulate the sound of a phone call by reducing low and high frequencies and focusing on mid-range tones. Press space or click the play button to preview the result and listen carefully to the difference between the original audio and the phone call effect.